Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So I'm gonna prank my husband today. I'm actually I did my makeup like crazy looking. I know it doesn't look that way on the screen, but it does look crazy in person. I'm going to see what he says, how he reacts. If he tells me, I have a pretty good idea what he's gonna do, but we'll see. Okay, so check it out. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Let's start eating. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. I hope you had a great weekend. Today we have steamed fish. I was gonna make some ackee and sawfish today, but my husband said he felt like eating some steamed fish. So here we are with the steamed fish. And if you wanna know how to make this, you can check out our other video. I will link it in the description. And we show you from step to step how to make this. So this is, my husband has 2 snappers and I have 1. And we have Excelsior crackers with pumpkin, onions, sweet potato, sweet peppers, green peppers, red peppers, all kind of peppers, and cock noodles in here as well.
Cock noodle, yeah. Cock noodle in there too.
Yeah.
AKA swim around. Jamaican people know what I'm talking about.
Swim around. So we're gonna dig in.
What?
You
got your red lipstick on today.
We're gonna
see you over there. Huh?
Oh, you didn't see it before?
You look like a Barbie. You done Barbie for me.
It's recorded? You didn't see it before?
You done Barbie for me, man.
Oh, this is delicious.
No, no. She say too damn greedy. Right on me, I know.
I tried something new with the makeup today. What do you think?
Always look on fleek. Let me see how to do a Barbie, do a Barbie. See how to do You always look on fleek, girl. Let me hear today.
Is that the Barbie look?
Oh, Barbie look. Yeah, I'm doing a little chat now. I take it too far now.
You went to get too far. Oh.
Oops. You're on napkin.
Making a mess over here.
Don't worry about it, man. Nice and peppery.
Tastes really good, honey.
Nice, right?
You did a great job with this.
I try things, see me?
As usual.
Look at the pumpkin. Should have piece of pumpkin,
That looks so good.
Nice. Tastes even better.
So you really like my makeup?
Yeah, man. Your makeup hot, man. Hot, mama.
That's good. I'm glad you like it.
I love it. You don't need makeup, but you don't put on makeup. Hot, mama. Hot, mama, Sita.
Sometimes.
Family, I try.
Need this fork. Yeah.
Look at napkin put over here.
Yeah, that's for me. Wipe my mouth. This napkin's for my bones. Mind your business. You know everything coming like salt. So.
Black pepper. That's not black pepper. Hot.
Guys, I want to show you guys my outfit of the day. Okay, check it out.
Black girls, where you at? Slim waist, ass fat. Black girls, where you at? Throw it back, make it clap.
We're back.
I hope you guys liked my outfit of the day.
You know, hope you like the outfit of the day. Something light. Something light, you know what I'm saying?
So, what do you guys think about my makeup? I did something different today. My husband said he likes it. So,
I like it, but I love it. I love it when you don't have no makeup on. Especially that bright red one. I just stop with that bright red lipstick yet. Come like a Barbie.
You don't like the bright red lipstick?
Too bright one.
This is the color that's in.
It's in. You're out with it.
It's in.
I tell you about that bright red lipstick, you know. You can go on though. You can do your thing. Family, how you like your red lipstick? Tell me.
But how do you like my makeup? Like the whole thing?
Your makeup hot. Your makeup popping, son. I told you that makeup popping. What's wrong with it?
If you like it, I love it.
Yeah, but I just don't like your bright red. I tell you about that bright red. I think that.
I can tell you nothing about makeup.
Why?
Nothing.
Oh, so the makeup's not alright?
No.
You trying to tell me?
No, it's not.
What the fuck?
Get out of here, man. Shit, I'm saying.
You see? That means, see, I always tell the truth though. You see that?
No, you don't want to hurt my feelings. I gotta watch you now.
Nah.
I'm supposed to know.
What's wrong with your makeup though?
I put so much highlighter on. You could barely see it on the camera. On the camera, it might look fine,
Yeah.
but in person, trust me, it's a lot of highlight. I put a lot on.
So I bought you all that, me one.
But it doesn't matter. So that means if I'm going out looking crazy, you're not gonna tell me?
That's different, no?
Cause you don't wanna hurt my feelings. All of our subscribers are watching us. They're gonna say, "Yo, So that means when I ask you how my outfit look, I have to think twice. No, cause you're not gonna tell me the truth because you don't wanna hurt my feelings.
Check out your outfit the other day.
That's true.
Oh, maybe know that. Maybe look like me put that makeup.
Doesn't that matter?
Sure thing you there on. I tell you look good though.
Yeah, thank you. I know you would. That's why when I told them in the beginning, I said, I already know. I have an idea what you're gonna do. You're not gonna.
Oh, you told them in the beginning, so I prank. I try to prank me.
So they're not gonna.
Oh, okay. Okay. Sneaky.
My husband's kind of person who he's not gonna be like.
I would have my prank and take my life if you not get done.
You mad? My husband's kind of person who he's not gonna be like, oh no, you look horrible. He'll tell you you look nice, but then.
I told you I read though.
Yeah. He'll tell you that you don't look you look nice, but then he'll be like, why don't you take some of that down? I don't like this. If I want to know.
Love try prank.
And when I was putting my makeup on, he kept on coming in the bathroom, and I had to put my head down.
Oh, that's what you were doing, huh?
Because usually when he comes into the bathroom, he's like checking me out, you know. So I had my head down, and at one point he was standing there. I could feel him staring at me, and I said, "When is he gonna walk away?" You too noisy man.
I'm hungry. The food more I eat. I can't rush you. I'm trying to listen to the food more I eat. I can't take too long.
All right, guys, I tried. I'm gonna have to think of something better. Cause this guy is weird.
Okay, that's what you're doing after so long.
Yeah, I talk to my people them.
Okay, that was nice. But I told you, and it's true. I tell you, say you look good without makeup.
Thank you, honey.
But does he look like a Barbie man?
But it's so funny because on the camera, you can see the highlight, but it doesn't look crazy. I even went back into the room, into the bathroom when you was in here.
That's why you went in the bathroom and say you soon come.
I went back and I added more highlight. So that's why. Now I know why when people are doing their makeup on the on YouTube, they put a lot more makeup on because you can see it. Cause trust me, I have a lot of highlight on.
Wow. See? I wouldn't know that.
Or
Put on makeup, man.
unless try to tell me say when I do my makeup, it be looking fuck up anyway, so you can't tell the difference. I think you want to say?
No, not say that, man.
You sure? I gotta watch you enough.
You have Mook on your fish, man.
Yeah, a beer fish man, yeah. It's very good.
I fell for the swimmer rounds today.
Yeah. I'm glad you did because it's delicious. And I like how big you cut up the pumpkin.
I'm going to say greedy so we can get you. They are working, I couldn't pray for come over, you know. Couldn't wait till the day, you know. When I mean, one time, one say, yo, I punch one, punch out, you know.
Go warm. Look at the
Man.
the Excelsior crackers, man.
Nice. I mean, fish head, guys. A lot of people don't eat fish head, but I do. That's mine, you for me.
Yep.
You can have some material if you want more, you know.
Okay, thank you, honey. Are you sharing?
Because insult you for your makeup.
No, sir. I gotta watch you because I don't know. I try, said my makeup fuck up. So you can't tell the difference. Tell the truth.
I just had to read. Oh, family. This was the Key West sketch of the day. Too busy to talk.
Yeah, man. You know
We
what?
have 2 mangrove snacker.
Snacker.
2 mangrove snapper. And a next snapper. But that's a schoolmaster. It's in the same family. You know what I'm saying? Forgot to tell y'all.
I saw this another channel, Winnie. She did this to her boyfriend, no, her husband, sorry. And he kept on going, are you sure your makeup is done? But she's a makeup artist.
See? You know,
So
different.
he knows how her makeup's supposed to look. So he's like, cause you kind of look like a trophy. Or you have so much highlighter on. He couldn't, honey, he couldn't even eat his food the way he was stressed out. Cause he was like, I know you're not gonna like it after you watch the footage back.
But he knows, see, because she's a makeup artist, so he know. How should I know?
Yeah, but I can't get it. It's not about knowing per se. But you know something about a bully for highlight. So you're not gonna say nothing about that? You know, maybe really go out in the yard like this?
What do you think you're blending with your lipstick?
Here, butter.
I think you wanted bright like the lipstick, so that's why I said okay. All right.
You see, your man, do your thing.
Do your thing, man.
Can't stop you.
You know, say you cook.
Don't know it's dinner time now. Your beard go around, you know, there's something.
No.
On the sauce. Not that much.
That look good clear. Cut it out. Cut it out way that I graduate.
Your beard? That's not gonna work.
Get a fresh look, son. Yo.
I don't know what to say. They probably saying, damn, they can yum fish. They're always eating fish. But listen, when you catch it, right now, our freezer full of fish.
Yeah, my brother steal fish.
Full of fish.
Fish for days. You want me to tell you from start eating or I'm cut eating?
Not right now. You see how he have to ask me before he start eating because once he start yum, that's enough. He can't give me none,
You know
none naga left.
You know, so Mr. Anyam, you know, you say different, you know?
None naga left.
You're serious about
That's
it.
it. No, sir.
I'm trying to prank you and think you say, I want to say you don't want it. So I'm keep asking if you want it, you know? So I can't take it if you don't want it.
By the time I finish my fish and get ready to go eat the tail,
Gone, like a week.
you done.
Fish nice, man.
coconut milk with the coconut oil.
Mad.
Mad, sick, head not good. Mad,
Family.
sick, head not good.
If you didn't watch the video how this is done, how it's made, first thing you gonna put in the thing, right?
I'm gonna put it in the description. You have to check it out. And if you make it, tag me. It's so good.
Good. Good ain't the word.
I'm glad you say you feel like eating some fish today.
From the on that day of keyless.
I'm thinking about it.
Mm-hmm.
Fish, cook the fish, catch the fish, cut the hood.
That more I do. Ooh, sorry.
Drop.
One third one. So how was y'all weekend? Good? Well, they didn't answer. I guess it was bad.
If you guys had a bad weekend, always remember there's another day. Okay? If you wake up, it's a good day. So you make the best of it. So if you had a bad day yesterday, you just thank God that you were alive, even if it was bad.
True.
And the next day you wake up, you say, I'm gonna have a good day today. You know, sometimes people make things bother them too much.
Yeah.
You know? Like if you can't control something, why just stressed out about it? Really.
True.
I came home today and I checked the mail. Remember? Whoa. Remember we went to New York? A road trip, right?
Yo, you know, so you can't chat my girl.
Your mom, I gotta tell my business, mom, because I gotta tell my business.
Yo, sometimes you need to
So,
stop chatting up.
I checked the mail. I checked it. They did ask me.
All right, go on talk.
I checked the mail. I got a ticket. And I think to myself,
Oh, she did I drive, not me.
I think to myself, how I got a ticket? The last time I had a ticket was 16 years ago.
Damn, really? So when was the last time I thought? That was a minute ago. Wow, too, about that.
I don't get tickets.
We've been living in Florida how long now?
God.
From an 04?
Probably that.
Yeah, that was...
Probably
yeah.
60, yeah.
Wow.
We don't get tickets. You know, knock on wood. Right?
We
So,
click it, because we don't want a ticket.
So, I'm like, how I got a ticket? And it says speeding violation. I'm like, what? And I called my dad, and he told me that in New York City, they have speeding cameras. So even if you're going 8 miles over the speed limit, and take a picture and send your ticket in the mail. So I brought that up to say I saw the ticket, and I said, all right, whatever. As long as there's no points in my license, I'll just pay it. And that's it. Why get depressed over it? Why get upset?
Yeah.
You know? Why let that ruin my day? And then we can't enjoy my husband good up.
Good up food.
You understand? Can't do them something there. So I said no. So I'm just gonna go ahead and pay it. But I'm paying it on the day they tell me I have to pay it. I'm not giving them my money any earlier. If they say it's due on the 18th, that's when I'm paying it on the 18th.
Pay it on 18 and a half.
So that was that. I just put it down. I said, I'm not gonna ruin my day. It's as simple as that. Trust me, it is as simple as that.
That's my third fish head now.
So we can't eat that, honey?
I mean, no say you can't eat that, so that's why I want to talk, you know. Love when you go and talk, you know, because I don't say you can't eat it. People say, damn, No one just got bone, look at eating the fish.
Yeah. So just remember, you're going through a bad day. Say, oh, Shanice said, tomorrow will be a better day.
Real talk. Although this corona mess up everybody, I'm glad I wake up and I have a job.
I know.
Enough people don't have one.
That's so true.
Yes, sir.
That's very true. I overheard somebody talking about that in Walmart today.
Yep.
He said there's so many people who
Yep.
is not doing good.
Yep.
And he's grateful that his wife had a good job to support, you know what I mean? But
Yeah.
what about single mothers out there?
No, it's rough, no?
It's, man.
It's rough. This just messed up the world.
Yeah. Yeah. It did.
It didn't just start back over 2020 again.
I wonder if it's a if it's like
What? Wonder like
if
what?
it's a sign of what could. almost like if you don't get your act together, there's gonna be problems. Who knows?
It's crazy though. Corona ain't gone. Y'all stay safe. Ain't gone.
Every time.
So you don't want this?
How much? I'm full. How much?
Wow.
I come and I say you didn't give me a lot of crackers.
Yo,
You
are
don't
you
sell no
getting?
crackers.
Are you getting all like crackers? In?
I only ate 2.
Are you getting my tree crackers? In?
I love
Boy, tree crackers.
Excelsior crackers
No lie.
and steamed fish. Love it, love it, love it. And like I said, don't give me no soggy Excelsior cracker. Make sure to say it still have some kind of texture to it. Like firmness.
Yo, we are talking about glad you say you don't want the tail, you know? Glad you know what? Big up all the subscribers, you know? Appreciate
Honey,
y'all.
we're almost at 500.
500?
Guys, we're almost at 500 subscribers. Can you believe that? Thank you so much for your support. It's because of you. Yes, you. Yes, you.
It's a piece of the tail, yeah? Come back here.
We're at 500, almost 500 subscribers, baby love.
Good. Appreciate y'all. 500 beers.
You know what if name you of?
I put in sugar.
Full of name.
What was that?
Baby love. My love.
How much sugar you have, so?
It's always so sweet. Beer, sugar, me I hear.
First lady, your name?
I love my husband so. All the love names I call him. But my favorite name to call him is Sugar. He's my sugar.
How about that drama, huh? Yes, sir. Thank you for that wanting the tail.
And you know what? I thought you were going to say, what was this? A piece of the bone this? Lord God. Are you beard and yam?
Turn up! Yeah, man, that fish turn up, man.
Honey, that was delicious.
Yeah, man, fish nice, man. I lie, man. It was worth the wait.
Worth the wait.
Yeah. Give me a speak and drink about man.
Guys, I know that there are millions of YouTubers out there and we appreciate you taking the time to watch us. You guys have a great day and we'll see you next time for another mukbang.
Wait, don't forget, share, like, subscribe, and scribble on the bottom this one.
Comment,
you know what I mean?
Bye.